Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the features and tools available for managing your business operations. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Commerce. This section is specifically designed for managing all your sales and payment related activities. After clicking Commerce, you'll see additional options appear, and from those options, click on Invoices. This is where you'll be able to create, manage, and track all your invoices within HubSpot. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on this button to start the invoice creation process. When you click it, a menu will appear giving you two options. You can choose either create one-time invoice or create recurring invoices depending on your needs. For this example, we're going to click on create one-time invoice. This option is perfect for single transactions or one-off services that don't require regular billing. After selecting that, you'll be taken to the invoice creation page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see an option that says Add Contact. Click on this and a list of your contacts will appear. From there, choose the contact you want to create this invoice for. Selecting the right contact ensures that the invoice is properly associated with the correct customer in your system. Next, still on the left side, you can select an invoice date and payment terms. The invoice date is typically the date you're issuing the invoice, and the payment terms let you specify when the payment is due, such as net 30 or due upon receipt. These details are important for keeping your billing organized and setting clear expectations with your clients. Below that, you'll also see a field where you can input a PO number if your customer has provided one. This is helpful for matching invoices with purchase orders and makes the payment process smoother on both ends. Further down on the left side, you'll find sections for billing address and shipping address. If these addresses are the same as the company address already saved in HubSpot, you can simply check the checkbox next to same as company address for each section. This saves you time and ensures accuracy without having to manually enter the information again. Now it's time to add the actual items to your invoice. Click on Add Line Items, then select from Product Library. This will bring up a list of products or services you've already set up in HubSpot. Go ahead and select the line item you want to include on this invoice. You can add multiple items if needed by repeating this step. If you want to add any additional notes or instructions for your customer, you can include them in the comments section. This is optional, but can be useful for providing context or payment instructions. You'll also notice a toggle button labeled Accept Online Payments. If you want to allow your customer to pay the invoice directly online, click this toggle to turn it on. This feature makes it easier for customers to complete payments quickly and securely. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and double-checked everything, click the Create button located in the upper right corner of the screen. HubSpot will now generate the invoice and make it available for you to send to your customer. And that's it, you've successfully created an invoice in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.